Liquidrainbow. Visit Caño Cristales during the wet or dry seasons in Colombia, and you'd be forgiven for wondering what all the fuss is about. However, travel there from July to October, the moderate months between the extremes of the wet and dry seasons, and you'll witness one of Mother Nature's crowning glories. The 62.1-mile-long river is in Colombia's Serranía de la Macarena National Park, in the province of Meta, and is known as the River of Five Colors. This Liquidrainbow, as it is also called, is one of the South American country's most spectacular natural wonders, thanks to its vivid colors. The bed of the river sports bright red, yellow, green, blue, and black for the few months that conditions are right. Although the colors can be viewed from as early as mid-May and sometimes into December, they are brightest during June and November. The colors are produced during the reproductive process of the aquatic plants in the river, which are called Macarena clavigera, a species of the riverweed family. Podostamaceae. During the wet season, the river runs fast and high, meaning the sun cannot hit the riverbed's plants. During the dry season, there is not enough water to support the plants. The seasons rarely vary, so visitors wanting to catch sight of the spectacle have to head to the national park during those months that the bloom is most visible. The phenomenon happens nowhere else in the world. The area itself is a hotspot for biodiversity, where the Andes Mountains and the Amazon and Orinoco basins converge, and is home to many endemic species. Prior to the pandemic, thousands of tourists flocked to see the spectacle every year, which had raised concerns amongst scientists that the river may be threatened by over-tourism. Flavia Santoro, head of ProColombia, the country's tourism board, says that measures had to be taken to protect the area, so large was the influx of visitors. The agency severely restricted development of tourism infrastructure in La Macarena, the nearest small town to the national park, as well as capping the number of tourists allowed in at 200 per day. There were so many tourists visiting the region that in spite of the cap, environmental authorities closed the destination in December 2019 to protect the river. The closure was then extended due to the pandemic for 18 months, until its reopening in June this year. Caño Cristales did not receive one single visitor. The effect, biologists say, has been beneficial for the region. Faber Ramos, a park ranger and ecotourism coordinator in the Colombian National Park System's Orinoco region, says the pandemic has had a positive effect on the river's health and that there was now a greater presence of fauna. Credits Lucy Sheriff Research, Vitor Hugo Lizard Leonard. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like. It's very important to expand the channel. I'll tell you, thank you.